Ever pondered over the magic that transforms a raw, rugged piece of wood into a beautiful piece of art or a functional piece of furniture? Well, the secret lies in the hands of the craftsmen and the tools they employ. Today, we delve into the world of woodworking tools, shedding light on their uses and functions. First off, we have the handsaw, an essential tool in any woodworker's arsenal. A handsaw is perfect for making straight cuts and is incredibly versatile. It's like the trusty sidekick that's always at your side, ready to tackle any woodworking challenge. Next, we have the cordless drill. This versatile tool is not just for drilling holes. It can also drive screws and even sand and polish surfaces with the right attachments. A cordless drill offers mobility, allowing you to work unencumbered by wires and cords. In the third place, we have the combination square. This tool is a measurement superstar. It allows you to measure and mark lines for both 90-degree and 45-degree angles, ensuring precision in every project. And last but not least, we have the chisels. These are the sculptors of the woodworking world, allowing you to carve intricate designs and details into your woodwork. They come in a variety of sizes, each suited for a specific task. In summary, a handsaw is your go-to tool for straight cuts. A cordless drill offers versatility and mobility. A combination square ensures precision, and chisels allow you to add intricate details to your work. Remember, woodworking is not just about the tools, but also about the skills and creativity you bring to the table. So wield these tools with confidence and let your creativity flow. Happy woodworking!